Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to pull off this Rihanna inspired Ninja Turtle Halloween costume. Let's get started. First I'm going to be setting my face using MAC's Prime and Fix setting spray. Next I'm going to be using snazaroo in the color lime green to apply that beautiful green color all over my face. I'm activating the snazaroo using MAC's Prime and Fix. You can use water if you need. To apply the snazaroo, I'm using a makeup sponge from Walgreens. If I could go back and change something about this look, you'll see I'll change a lot. But one thing I would change is using a beauty blender over using a makeup sponge like the one I'm using, only because I feel like it would have given me a more even finish and it would have went faster. So definitely consider that for when you try this look. To even out the face, I'm going to use the color Social Blade from the James Charles palette to just kind of work as almost like a powder foundation to fill in any holes or any spots that are left from the snazaroo paint. Next, I'm going to knock out my eyebrows using my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in black. And then I'm just going to shade those eyebrows out and really shape them using my NYX white base. Because my concealer is a little darker, I didn't want to use my own concealer. That's why I went with the white base here. Kicking off my contour and highlight, I'm using Smashbox Peach Color Corrector. I'm applying this all over my T-zone using another one of those makeup sponges. Next, I'm going to apply Wet n Wild Paint Pot in the color white. This just helps give me an even better glow and really pops against the lime green. To be honest, if I could go back, I would probably have just stopped at the Smashbox Peach Color Corrector because I really did like how it gave me more of that kind of like softer green finish, but the white looked really good as well. Now I'm smoothing out any harsh lines using the snazaroo green paint. You'll see me doing this a lot throughout this video because it's so important to make sure everything's nice and even. For contouring, I'm using James Charles No Beans. I used a brush that was way too big, so make sure you don't make this mistake. But I didn't want to take the risk of using a cream contour like I normally do, so that's why I went with the James Charles. Don't worry, to clean it up, I just go through and reapply some more of the snazaroo all around the perimeter of my face to clean that up a little bit since it just was way too dramatic of a contour. For the eyeshadow, I used James Charles No Beans and Spooky. I got so distracted by blending out the perimeter of my face, I forgot to contour my nose, so I just stopped for a moment to quickly do that. And then I went in on the cut crease using NYX white base again. Ideally, if you have a white concealer or a lighter concealer, that is preferred, but I didn't have that, so I used the NYX white base instead. And following using the base and letting it dry for a moment, I went in with Canvas and Punch Me on the lid. Of course, we have to blend, blend, blend. So I'm just taking some time to make sure everything flows and blends beautifully. Next, I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational on my eyelashes as my mascara. And then I'm going to apply my falsies. I know Raphael probably didn't wear falsies, but I do. Now I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Black Liquid Eyeliner. I can't tell you enough how much I love this. And just applying a little cat eye. Why not make this an Animal Kingdom look? Next, I'm going to use e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD Translucent Powder to give me that nice, beautiful, smooth finish. Then I'm going to use Juvia's Place Bella Blush and apply that blush on my cheekbones. Next, I'm going to use ColoredRaine Vanity Rain and Ruby Roo from MAC all over my lips. And then I'm going to finish this out by just applying a little bit more snazaroo everywhere to give it a nice, smooth finish. I hope you guys had as much fun watching this video as I did making it. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell if you did. And I did all of my friends' makeup this night, so I wanted to show you a little picture. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at GRWM. Bye!